Okay? Sige. At sa atin pong Food for the Soul and Food for the Spirit today, na pwede ho nating, sabi nga ho nila, ikapulutan ho ng inspirasyon sa araw-araw. Simple lang, partner. Sabi dito, salvation is all the grace of God. Damnation is all the will of man, from Charles Spurgeon. Galing, no? Sabi niya, if a man be saved, all the honor is to be given to Christ. But if a man be lost, all the blame is to laid upon himself. Kaya sabi niya, salvation is all the grace from God, or of God, and all damnation is all the will of man. Why? Dahil sinasabi ho, for God did not send His Son into the world to condemn the world, but in order that the world might be saved through Him. Mga kaibigan, kaya ho pinadala si Jesus. John 3:17 to 18. Whoever believes in Him is not condemned, but whoever does not believe is condemned already, because he has not believed in the name of the only Son of God. Malinaw, no? Hindi pinadala si Jesus para i-condemn ang buong mundo, kundi para i-save po, isalba ang buong mundo, mga kaibigan. Yan lang po. Very simple. Short lang ang ating Food for the Soul and Food for the Spirit today. Yan ay kumbaga partner na yan, malapit na kasi ang mahal na araw. So yun lang yung gusto nating iparating bago magmahal na araw. That's the purpose of it, di ba? Pinadala si Jesus, mga kaibigan, into the world to not to condemn the world, but in order that the world might be saved through Him. Ang problema, nakakalimot ho tayo sa katotohanan.
Sina Joel Grospe at Darlene Olaño, OMOK sa 774.